The short answer is no, absolutely not. And I know people dispute it, and it is convenient, but just really simply, the knife is not designed to be put under that much pressure, that amount of heated water with harsh chemicals for that period of time. You will have separation of the handle from the tang, you will have dissolving of the rivets, you'll get discoloration of the steel, and it will trash your knife. There's no way around it. Knives need to be hand washed. If you want them to last and you care about them, don't dishwasher.